Not only ethnic wear, street stalls and footpath kiosks brim with jewelry from sparkling junk to silver and gold. Bags, footwear, electronic accessories, decors and household items all at bargain-friendly prices that you can actually bargain with the retailers and grab your item at the most affordable price. You have a communal chess corner under the Garihart flyover where you can find locals of all ages participating in the game of chess with a small fee. Hey, it's me, your lazy boy. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to Garihart. As you know, it's a vibrant locality and shopping hotspot nestled in southern Kolkata at the intersection of Raspberry Avenue and Garihart Road. You may be thinking like, what makes this place so special? Why is Garihart so special? Simply, well, as I mentioned, that it's a shopping hub or shopping fiesta. I mean, it's a paradise for ethnic wear, starting with Canton cotton to luxurious Kanjivaram, Banarasi, Tussar, Dhakai Jamdani, Baluchuri and many more. Not only this, you have special stores who keeps this kind of collection like RMJC Basak, Adi Dhakeshwari Bastralaya, Priya Gopal Bishwai, Traders Assembly and many more. You can actually check while exploring this place. Not only ethnic wear, street stalls and footpath kiosks brim with jewelry from sparkling junk to silver and gold. Bags, footwear, electronic accessories, decors and household items all at bargain-friendly prices. The most interesting part is that you can actually bargain with the retailers and grab your item at the most affordable price. That's a great thing, because we always want to grab our thing at the most reasonable price. We also have established stores and emporiums like Dakshinapan, Sriniketan, Garihart AC Market, which offer curated collection of crafts, handlooms and branded goods. Talking about the food available here that you can have while doing shopping. The street food scene here is legendary. You can have pani puris, kebabs, rolls, momos and sweets from iconic shops. I mean, it's the best for street food lovers. Moving to cultural and recreational spots, you have a communal chess corner under the Garihart flyover where you can find locals of all ages participating in the game of chess with a small fee. You'll also find cultural gems like Birla Mandir, Birla Planetarium, Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture with its events and libraries included. You also have Chitrakoot Art Gallery you can visit here and you'll have a great time. Talking about its connectivity, Garihart is well connected via Kalighat and Jatindas metro station and Baliganj railway station. There's a local train service. Buses, autos are also available in abundance. There's a small tip. You try to visit this place in the early morning or in the late evening to avoid peak congestion. It's actually better to shop in the open space, You can actually explore and see the collection and everything. All shops tend to open within 11 a.m. so it won't be a problem for you. Let's go straight there and walk in the crowds.
ও ডান দিকে লাগিয়ে তুই আর কিছু নিবি
হবে নাকি
Excuse me. Excuse me.
হ্যালো বাচ্চাদের বড় গ্রুপ আছে বিক্রি হলো অফিস বিক্রি হলো
বৈঠক করবেন ত্রিনিদাদের প্রধানমন্ত্রী কমলা প্রসাদ বিশ্বেশ্বরের সঙ্গে।